Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to connect it to Instagram for profile, links, traffic, embeds, and lead flow, this is the clean supported setup that works in 2026. Important truth, there is no deep native Instagram integration like Shopify, but you can connect Instagram effectively using links, embeds, and ads ready tracking without breaking anything. So most people fail because they expect auto sync magic. We will do it the right way. Okay, so first thing first, add your website link to Instagram. Okay, so this is the number one connection. So how to do it? Open Instagram, go to edit profile. Okay, most probably it would be on your profile. So website field. Okay, this makes your website clickable from your bio. So pro tip, use a dedicated landing page. Okay, for example, slash Instagram for better conversions. Add Instagram buttons to your website so let visitors find your Instagram easily. Steps: log into your Hostinger H panel. Okay, go to websites and then tap edit websites, add social icon, choose Instagram, paste your profile URL and save, and then publish. So this is clean, fast, and mobile friendly. Okay, so if you want to display specific posts or reels, steps: for example, open the Instagram post, tap three dots, then tap embed, copy the embed code, and in Hostinger Website Builder add a custom HTML section, paste the embed code, and save and publish. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.